Hey guys, Chris here from Stinger Laser Works. This video is the first 2 days of my Omtech journey with the 100-watt machine, including getting it through the door back here. This looks nice. Yep. Yay. One, two, okay. Alright, a little bit. Stop. Alright, try to cut the front edge on my left or right. Come over here. Push on the bottom, you push over just a little more, a little bit. Okay, you're good. Huh? Oh, yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, some straps. Go. Keep an eye on the lights. Alright, hold up. Relax. Alright, I'll come around and help you. Up. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Omtech 100 watt will fit through the doorway. To get it through the doorway, we had to remove wheels, levelers. Be sure you tape your lid, amp meter, safety switch. I removed that, I didn't have to. Other than that, that was it. She came right through the door, no problem. One, two, three. Keep it warm just a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's great. Definitely needs it. So end of day 2, guys. It's all set up. We've done some cuts. The water chiller's here. Infinity 8-inch. Cut that board. Gotta cut a new one. I'm gonna end up getting rid of the silver pipe. This pipe completely sucks up whenever the fan's on. I just plug my little pancake air compressor in right there. There's a hole in the window board for it. And the controller for my exhaust fan. So we also got it up on the levels, or the new feet, should I say. Overall, pretty happy. So instead of using good wood, I used the wood from the box that it came in, which is actually the same wood that I used to make a road to get the machine in my back door. So, pretty bad to start. This is 8.5 millimeter. Extremely hard, lots of glue spots, not fun stuff to cut. But it cut it at about 20 milliamp. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Sorry the video was so bad. It is my first. I do hope to get better. So please like and subscribe so that you can see me not only get better at making videos, but better at making projects, which is what we all want to do. Thanks for watching.